Hey guys, welcome back. It's Angelo and it's Coda. And I want to dive right into the stock price. So let's take a quick look. Hey guys, if you want a chance to win 4 free stocks, sign up for Webull today. Again, if you want a chance to win 4 free stocks, sign up for Webull today. Those stocks can range anywhere from a couple of dollars all the way up to $1,600. You can be lucky and get stocks like Tesla or even Google. The key is to sign up today using my referral link, and when you sign up, you'll have to make an initial $100 deposit, but as soon as you receive your free stock, you can actually take that $100 out and continue to ride. Join Webull now. And before we get into it, I wanted to give you guys a sense of who I am. I have been in the fintech technology industry for about 10 plus years now. In addition, I also received my MBA from Cornell Tech, a program that is strictly focused on innovation, technology, and how we progress the world forward with all of our new ideas. I am no expert, I am no engineer, but I do see huge opportunity based on all of my experiences. I've been investing for about 8 or so years, learning a lot throughout that period of time, and happy now that I'm able to apply all those learnings and all those lessons towards all the trading that I do today. As you know, my strategy is simple: buy Tesla. I am well aware that that could also backfire on me. However, this has been an interesting year to say the least. So why not? I know I'm not perfect. I just know I'm finding a rhythm with my investments, again, strictly Tesla. And I want to share that with you, and I want you guys to be on board with that journey as well. Now let's dive into Tesla. So today, Tesla opened up the market pretty good, but then took a nice steady dip down. Who was out there afraid? Let me know. Was I afraid? Just a little bit. No, I'm kidding. I was not afraid at all. I've seen Tesla take days where it's dropped 10 and 20%. So dropping a couple of dollars for a 1 or 2% loss is something that we have to learn. You've got to learn how to appreciate all the green days and manage and tolerate some of the reds because it's inevitable. Now, some people might see this as a buying opportunity, which a lot of people did. Because guess what? One of the worst feelings is to sell on any of these dips, because guess what? Somebody else is coming in and swooping up those shares and taking this nice little ride all the way back up to positive. I'm expecting huge volatility. Again, that might mean the stock price is going down, or it might mean the stock price is going up. But as a long-term investor, I do believe that we're on the upside. As I've also stated, I do believe that we might be testing new all-time highs. So don't be surprised if tomorrow and Thursday you actually see Tesla hitting new all-time highs that we've never seen before. In full transparency, some money has become available to me, so I will be buying a couple shares come tomorrow. I often get that question of, is the price too high? Is this the right entry? When should I buy? As I've always shared, there is no better time than the precious present. So do me a favor, let me know how you feel about Tesla. Are you invested in Tesla already? Are you going to be invested in Tesla before Monday? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to bring content to you guys. My name is Angelo, and this is Coda, and I'll see you soon.